To start a free trial, the process can be completed in just a few minutes. Begin by clicking on the provided link, which will direct you to a page where you can enter a domain, keyword, or URL. If you have a website, it is recommended that you add your domain. Alternatively, you can enter a keyword and select your country before clicking Start Now. For instance, entering a keyword such as I and selecting your country will prompt you to proceed. The next step involves creating an account, which can be done by continuing with Google or by entering an email and password. After clicking Create Your Account, you will need to confirm your email by opening it, copying the provided code, and pasting it back into the website before clicking Confirm Email. You will then be asked to answer a few questions, including why you are using the service, your experience with marketing tasks, the number of people working at your company, your experience with SEO, and how much you are willing to spend on an SEO tool per month. After selecting your preferred package, either Pro or Guru, you can click Get Free Trial and enter your payment details. Once you have done this, you can click Try It Now to begin your free trial. The free trial process is straightforward and can be completed quickly. By following these steps, you can easily get started with your free trial. The process involves a few simple steps, including entering your domain or keyword, creating an account, answering a few questions, and entering your payment details.